The Shapes Bumping Challenge.
Roll, roll, roll. Ah, I rolled too fast. Don't go, circle ball. Wow, circles are round and ready to roll. When they hit something, they make it move.
Not so fast, Roro. A ball can't move a square like me. Look at my flat bottom. I am stuck to the ground like glue.
Oh yeah? Let's try to bump it. Let's see if you're really stuck like glue.
Sure, come on!
Cool. Ready, set, bump. Huh? Let's try again. Ready, set, bump. No way, no way. One more time. Ready, set, bump. Oh boy, the square is just too heavy. It won't budge.
I told you, squares love to stay put.
What about me? Try to bump square, Roro.
I won't give up. Challenge accepted.
Ready? Go!
Ready, set, bump. Ouch! Let me try again.
Ha 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 ha.
Ready, set, bump. Let me try again. Ready, set, bump. Oops, why?
The circle ball rolled back again.
Hey, that doesn't count. I can do this. Super push, bump. Oh no, my ball is flying.
Ha ha, fly far, far away.
No, no, let me get my circle ball back.
Ha ha ha, my shape is a slide, Roro. I don't move. I make things go up. Shoo! Ha ha ha! Yay!
Yeah. Squares don't move either. Yay!
I get it now. Circles roll, squares stay, and triangles make a fun slide to play. That means I just need a bigger ball. Again, again, again.
Huh?